We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And it continues to push up higher since the point we caught the possible reversal here on extreme weakness on 42 vision. And it wasn't the only stock going higher. The overall market and the SPY was going higher. Now our SPY bot this morning at the bell at 9:30 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward call options were up 3 to 4x on the day. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to the SPY bot and the QQQ bot and receive the edge that other members are already receiving, and you can as well. So here we are with Bbig stock, continuation of that uptrend. We're going to talk about key levels in today's video and pull up Ultimate 42 vision. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. All three of them turned out to be phenomenal, giving 10 to 15% plus. But two of them turned out to be a home run, which is 20% plus in a single day. And the first one here is GROM. We caught this one consolidating in the pre-market, pulled downwards, hit a bottom here of 127, started to reverse with strength, got that bull indicator for an extra layer of confirmation, and hit a highest point of 30% plus, guys. Then we got here PIK. Now this was our home run yesterday. We caught this one in the pre-market once again after inflows were picking up. It was consolidating, and towards the bell, it got that bull indicator, full strength on 42 vision, continuation to a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., and it continues to push up higher. And as I've stated before in my videos, every single time we hit white with red borders based off the 30-minute or any time frame on 42 vision, it is extreme weakness, and there's a possibility of a reversal. And usually some are larger than others, some are smaller than others, right? Right here, you could just see it back to back all these times that we've hit white with red borders, and this has been one of the smallest ones in the process, right? And then when it's followed by a bull indicator, which I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now receive that edge as well. So here we see it, as I stated, the bull indicator right after it, following that reversal point from extreme weakness into red with green borders, dark green and green. You can see it every single time. That's that extra layer of confirmation. And there's been bounces of 10 to 20%, 20 to 30%, and all the way up towards 50% plus, right? So when we go ahead and look at this, we have been under a bull indicator here since this point of reversal of about $2, right? Way down here at around $2. We hit that new all-time low of 194, 195, and then things started to reverse back up. And here we hit a recent high of 257, giving a jump of about 20 to 30% plus. So when we look at this here, we could see that we hit that extreme weakness point, and that's the whole point with 42 vision, being able to see the dips and the rips and have that extra layer of confirmation with those bull indicators as further strength continues, right? So far, again, we're up here about 20% to 30% plus in this run. And the question is, could it continue? And has this strength rolled over into the larger time frames, right? So the main thing here is looking at the bigger picture. And on the 4-hour, we have hit a full transition so far, right? White with red borders, red with green borders, dark green, bull indicator, extra layer of confirmation since 219, and then things have continued upwards and we've hit extreme strength. The next point is once this extreme strength dies out, which is a point where it could actually happen every time we've seen it happen, the next point is either bright green with red borders or things shift quickly back to dark green with red borders, then followed by red and eventually a bear indicator negating this bull indicator. But if we do have a pullback, which could be a healthy pullback, and the setup for the next bull run, we might see that happen eventually. I'm not stating it's going to happen in the next week or so or anything like that, but when it does happen, it could be a healthy one if this bull indicator holds true and continues to dominate in the chart. No bear indicator popping up here, and this bull indicator is showing strength, and this bear indicator continues to be negated, and it's not allowing this bull indicator to get negated if a bear indicator does not pop up as we're going up and if we pull back, because that could be the setup for the next bull run, right? As I always state. But on the 4-hour, we have a full transition. On the 30-minute, we have a full transition. The question is, how is it looking on the 1 day? So on the 1 day, we still do not have a transition from red with green borders to dark green, and then also a bull indicator anywhere down here, okay? In this reversal, we've talked about it in previous videos. We're looking for a bull indicator to pop up down here to negate this bear indicator from way up here at $4.28. And throughout all of the volatility, it has actually dominated the chart and no bull indicator has popped up to negate it. So this is super important to be watching this on the 1 day. This is one of the main things I'm watching right now within the volatility to see if this bear indicator on the 1 day can get negated. So far on the 4-hour, it happened. So far on the 30-minute, it has happened as well. So here we are at 250s, and we're actually working our way back up through the history of the chart towards key resistance levels, right? The next key resistance level is up here at 270, which we've talked about before, and then we can start talking about towards the 280s and $3. But right now, the highest point reached was 257. Definitely needs to be broken through by the bulls to then get towards the 270s. And to the downside, one of the first support levels is 243, and then the next one down here at 228, and then below that is 220. Those are the key levels right now within this chart and possible volatility to the upside or downside. And what we really want to see here is if there is a pullback, that no bear indicator pops up to negate this bull indicator on the 30-minute or on the 4-hour, and that bull indicator pops up on the 1 day, as we saw in the chart, has not popped up just yet, and that the continuation of strength continues here within the chart, because there has been pullbacks, but none of them have been significant enough to destroy the upside momentum or have a bear indicator pop up, and this bull indicator has been dominating. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and if you guys want to receive clarity within the charts and have that edge and join the members that are already receiving this edge, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over with the SPY bot and QQQ bot. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.